Ndewono, ndị be anyị. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Igbo pronouns. In Igbo, a pronoun translates nnochi aha. Nnochi aha. That is a word that stands in place of a noun. You have categories of a pronoun as it is in English language. Same it is in Igbo. You have the first person singular. You have the first person singular or mo. Or mo. That is I. You have the second person singular e or ge. That is you, the singular you. E or ge. You now have the third person singular o. That is o. That is he, she, or it when it is in place of a thing or a place. Moving on, we go over to the plurals. You have the first person plural, which is anyị, we. Again, you have the second person plural, which is unu, you. This unu now, this you now stands in when you're talking to more than one person, you. For instance, you people. You have the third person plural, ha. That is they or them. Ha. Okay, now their usage and sample sentences. When we go to the first person singular, na-eri nri. I am eating. Na-eri nri. The second person singular, ị gbara ọsọ. You ran. Then the third person singular, ọ bụ nwa akwụkwọ. That is he, she is a student. Ọ bụ nwa akwụkwọ. Moving on, we go over to the plural aspect of it. Where we have anyị. Anyị na-aga akwụkwọ. Anyị na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. That is, we are going to school. Anyị na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. We are going to school. The second person plural, unu. This is now when you're talking about the plural you. You. Unu bịara ebe a. Unu bịara ebe a. Did you come here? Did you come here? That is, did you people, when you're talking to more than one person. Then you have the third person plural, ha. Ha bụ ndị nkuzi. Ha bụ ndị nkuzi. That is, they are teachers. They are teachers. Ha bụ ndị nkuzi. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to practice, to internalize all these things. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Daalụnụ.